Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to install apps on a smart TV with the Fire TV operating system. To install apps, the process is really simple. We need to go to the App Store section. You can find it in the main app bar, as you're seeing here, or you can also find it in the More Apps section. Either way, you need to go to this app. Once we're in here, we'll have different options for finding apps. First, in the top bar, we'll have the option to directly search for the app we want to install. We also have the app library, where we see the apps we have installed on the TV, along with all the available apps all together. We also have the featured section, where they show us the most popular apps right now. Then we have the games section, which you can fully enjoy with a game controller or an Amazon Luna controller. And finally, we have the categorized app store. As you see here, we have all the categories and we can search for specific apps in each one. Let's say, for example, we want to download the Downloader app. If we don't know where to find it, because maybe we don't know which section it's in, as I say, we can go to the search section, enter it, type the app name, as you see it appears below, and once you find it, click on it. As you see, the first one appears in this case. Here other apps appear with similar or the same name. Once you find the app you want to download, simply click on it. This will take you to the apps page where you just need to click download. As you can see, it's now queued, downloading, installing, and we can open the app directly. We now have the app installed on our device. Now from here we can go back to the TV's main menu, and if we head to more apps and then my apps, we'll see the app installed right here at the bottom. Alright guys, that's it for this video. As always, I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like. It's super important. And subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure, and see you in the next video.